I planned the exhibition as an architectural space to manipulate the crowd, as the architect does, while building a house or making anything. You know? That's manipulating the crowd. You need to plan in advance what the person will do. You know, you need to just like put it.
You guide them.
You guide
right?
them. Yeah.
That's the eyes as well. Like you are still present there.
Maybe. Yeah. I'm not saying that it's
I know.
me, but
yeah.
maybe. Yeah. But then, as I said, it's done for me. It's not my work anymore. That's why I always have this problem with interpreting it. And also another problem is that I keep forgetting what I wanted to say. This is a fresh work. But if you ask me about my exhibition from 2 years, 5 years ago, I would be recreating the idea because I went further from that time. And recreating idea means lying, basically. It's like, telling a gossip to yourself, one after another. So I can describe you a show, like a piece by piece, how it's done, how it's linked in between, what are the inspirations, like really step by step. I can do that anytime, but it's really hard to explain what did I mean when I plan it, because there's always this intuition part that you cannot actually recreate or remember even. There's always this like, okay, let's do this, but why? How could I know?
It's for the audience to find out, isn't it?
Maybe. I don't know. I mean, as far as I remember, the best audience, replies or reactions were from the people from outside of the art world. When they can solve the puzzle, or when they saw the links and say like, oh, okay, now I get it, like these are the most satisfying, reactions. When the last time someone said to me, I had a huge doubt in contemporary art because I think it's fake, but you bring the faith in me again with the show, which meant that the person was basically manipulated as I wanted, But the relation between creator and the viewer, it's always like super complicated because you don't know, you cannot predict. Yeah. Again, in reference to the architecture, you can predict that, let's say, 99 out of 100 will enter through the main entrance, but there's always one who will dig up the hole or go through the window or break in, basically. There's always unpredictable someone.